Imagine a common kitchen spice that has been used for centuries, not just for flavor, but for its powerful medicinal properties. We're talking about cloves, a spice with a rich history and a range of benefits, especially for your lungs. In today's video, we're diving deep into how cloves can positively impact lung health based on current research and knowledge. Trust me, there's one benefit that might just surprise you, so make sure you watch until the end. Now, you might be wondering, are cloves really good for your lungs? The answer is yes, and the reasons are pretty fascinating. Cloves are packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which many researchers believe can benefit lung health significantly. From fighting infections to acting as a natural expectorant, cloves offer a variety of advantages for the respiratory system. With that said, let's explore these benefits in detail. 1. Antioxidant effects. Protecting your lungs from damage. Cloves are a powerhouse of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in lung health. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can damage lung tissue and lead to various respiratory problems. Not only do these antioxidants protect your lungs from environmental pollutants and toxins, but they also assist in repairing damaged lung tissue. Including cloves regularly in your diet can strengthen your body's defense system against oxidative stress, enhancing overall respiratory health. This is especially beneficial for smokers or individuals exposed to high levels of air pollution, as cloves can reduce the harmful effects these factors have on the lungs. 2. Expectorant properties. Clearing your airways. Naturally, cloves serve as a natural expectorant, which is highly beneficial for those suffering from respiratory issues involving mucus buildup. Expectorants help loosen and expel phlegm from the lungs, thus clearing the airways. This property of cloves is particularly useful for individuals dealing with conditions like bronchitis, where mucus accumulation is a major concern. Consuming cloves or inhaling steam infused with clove oil can facilitate the clearing of mucus, making breathing easier and more comfortable. The expectorant qualities of cloves not only provide immediate relief from congestion, but also aid in the overall improvement of respiratory function, ensuring that the air passages remain clear of mucus and phlegm. 3. Immune system support, strengthening your body's defenses. Cloves are well known for their ability to boost the immune system, a benefit that indirectly supports lung health. A strong immune system is crucial for fighting off respiratory infections and maintaining healthy lungs. The nutrients and compounds in cloves, such as vitamin C, eugenol, and flavonoids, play a key role in enhancing the body's immune response. This increased immunity helps the body more effectively combat pathogens that target the respiratory system. Regular consumption of cloves can, therefore, help reduce the frequency and severity of respiratory illnesses, keeping your lungs healthy. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. The natural inflammation. Fighter cloves are rich in potent anti-inflammatory properties, making them particularly useful for lung health. Inflammation in the respiratory system can lead to various ailments, including bronchitis and other inflammatory lung diseases. The key compound in cloves, eugenol, has been shown to effectively reduce inflammation. By incorporating cloves into your diet, you can alleviate symptoms such as swelling and discomfort in the respiratory tract. Regular consumption, whether through teas or essential oils, helps maintain healthy lung function and prevents chronic inflammation. Think of cloves as a natural shield against respiratory inflammation. 5. Reducing asthma symptoms, a natural aid for breathing easier. Cloves can be beneficial in reducing the symptoms of asthma, a chronic respiratory condition characterized by inflammation and narrowing of the airways. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves help ease inflammation in the respiratory tract, a common issue in asthma. Furthermore, their expectorant properties can assist in clearing mucus from the lungs, improving airflow, and reducing the frequency of asthma attacks. By incorporating cloves into their diet or using clove oil in aromatherapy, individuals with asthma may experience a decrease in symptoms such as wheezing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness. Additionally, the antioxidants present in cloves help combat oxidative stress, which is often elevated in asthma patients, providing a holistic approach to managing asthma symptoms. 6. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Nature's remedy for infections. Cloves possess strong antibacterial and antiviral properties, which are highly beneficial for lung health. These properties make cloves an effective natural remedy for combating respiratory infections caused by bacteria and viruses. The active component in cloves, eugenol, is known for its ability to fight off pathogens that can lead to respiratory illnesses like the common cold, flu, and even pneumonia. Incorporating cloves into your diet or using clove oil in aromatherapy can help clear up infections in the respiratory tract, providing relief from symptoms such as congestion, coughing, and sore throat. Additionally, cloves may also help in preventing the onset of such infections, thereby maintaining healthy lung function. 7. Enhancing overall respiratory health. The synergy of clove properties. Cloves' combination of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and expectorant properties work synergistically to support and enhance lung function. Regular use of cloves can help soothe irritated respiratory tracts, protect against environmental pollutants, and strengthen the lung's natural defense mechanisms. This makes cloves particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic respiratory conditions or those prone to respiratory infections. Additionally, the use of cloves in daily life, whether in cooking or in herbal teas, can improve oxygen intake and enhance breathing efficiency. By promoting cleaner and healthier airways, cloves ensure the optimal functioning of the respiratory system, making breathing easier and more efficient. Risks and precautions. Use cloves wisely. While cloves offer several health benefits for the respiratory system, it's important to be aware of some risks and precautions. Consuming cloves in culinary quantities is generally safe, but medicinal or excessive use can lead to adverse effects. The most significant risk comes from eugenol, the active compound in cloves, which in high doses can cause liver damage, blood thinning, and even paradoxical respiratory issues. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise caution, as there is limited research on the impact of high clove consumption during these periods. Cloves can also interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners and antiplatelet drugs, increasing the risk of bleeding. Allergic reactions, though rare, can also occur. As always, consult a healthcare provider before using cloves for medicinal purposes, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. The potential of cloves for lung health. As you can see, the potential benefits of cloves for lung health are diverse and significant. While cloves are not a magical substance, their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, and expectorant properties suggest a positive impact on respiratory health. Cloves can contribute to reducing inflammation in the respiratory tract, fighting lung infections, clearing mucus buildup, and even alleviating asthma symptoms. However, it's important to remember that cloves should be considered a complementary approach, not a replacement for medical treatment. As with any natural remedy, consultation with healthcare professionals is advised, especially for those with existing health conditions. Cloves, in various forms, can be a valuable addition to a lifestyle that prioritizes lung health and overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. And don't forget, more helpful videos are popping up on your screen right now that I think you'll enjoy. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Thank you so much for watching, have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.